Let's get going now. My taste buds are calling me. Here's a simple yet delicious recipe for a crowd-pleasing appetizer. Stuffed mini sweet peppers. Ingredients: 12–15 mini sweet peppers, assorted colors, if available. 8 ounces cream cheese, softened. 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1/4 cup chopped fresh chives or green onions. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional, crispy bacon bits for topping. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Slice the mini sweet peppers in half lengthwise and remove the seeds and membranes. Set the cleaned peppers aside. In a mixing bowl, combine the softened cream cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, chopped chives or green onions, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix until well combined. Using a spoon or a piping bag, fill each pepper half with the cream cheese mixture, ensuring they are generously filled. Place the stuffed mini sweet peppers on the prepared baking sheet. If desired, sprinkle crispy bacon bits over the top of the stuffed peppers for added flavor. Bake in the preheated oven for about 12–15 minutes or until the peppers are tender and the cheese is lightly golden on top. Remove from the oven and let the stuffed peppers cool slightly before serving. Arrange the stuffed mini sweet peppers on a platter and enjoy these flavorful, colorful appetizers. These stuffed mini sweet peppers are quick to prepare, versatile, and offer a delightful combination of creamy, cheesy goodness in each bite. They're perfect for gatherings, potlucks, or even as a simple snack. Feel free to customize the filling by adding herbs, different cheeses, or your favorite seasonings for variation.